Hey guys, breakfast Sonance here, back in our video. So in this video, we're gonna dive into the underground sound of tech house. I will show you how to make a drop, like this upcoming artist Cloonee. He is one of the pioneers of this genre, with his breakthrough tracks like these.
Dale.
So basically, the style consists of obnoxious drums. It's really bass driven. And it's actually quite minimal production. So first we're gonna dive into vocals. So for the vocals, we're gonna pick a vocal from the new Sonance Sounds Underground Tech House pack. It contains preset vocals and a lot of drums in this genre to really kickstart your productions. So we got some really cool vocals in here. For example, this one.
Ketamine.
I already dropped it in, sounding like this.
Ketamine. I want some.
So we're gonna build a track around that vocal. Now we're gonna dive into drums. So we're gonna start off with this kick drum from the pack. Just a really big tech house kick. I also add this reverse to add some more energy to it. So for the first part of the drop, we're only gonna use the kick.
Want some.
Just like this. And then we're gonna add some more drums in the second part. So I added 2 clap samples. So first this one. And this other kind of more snare clap. But of course a little variation. Sounding like this.
Want some.
And then I added the open head and the offbeat. With 2 head samples. So the basic drum rhythm sounds like this. Which is dope, but now we're gonna fill it up some more to get more groove. So first we're gonna add some more shakers to it. Just really in the background. I made a MIDI like this. And another shaker loop. Again, just really in the background. Sounding like this. Already add some more bounce to it. So now we're gonna add some more percussion sounds to it to really make it stand out some more, to really build a groove. So I cut up a drum loop. Sounding like this. So the thing is to really find your groove with cutting up the drum loop to see what works. And that's how we end up with this percussion stack. It's just a lot of trial and errors. So together all the drums sound like this.
I want some.
We got the drums ready, so now it's time to dive into the bass sound. First, let's add a new Serum. And pick a preset from the new Underground Tech House pack. We'll be using this bass sound. So let's work on the MIDI. It's actually gonna be quite a simple MIDI, so we're gonna start off on a D sharp. Like this, with 3 fast notes. So we got a bounce. Then 1 more sustained note. Just like this. Then make a little variation. By going up 1 semitone to get a really dark vibe. Now we're gonna dive into mixing. Actually the mixing gonna be quite minimal. So first we're gonna sidechain. With quite a big sidechain. and an R bass just to bump up the low ends, just to bump up the sub a little bit. And that's actually it for the mixing. So together with the drums, the bass sounds like this.
I want some.
It's already really sick bounce. That's it for the bass sounds. Now we only got one more thing left to do, and that's add a lead sound to it. So let's add a new Serum. We'll be using this Pluck from the pack. With again just a really minimal MIDI. Just like this. So now we're gonna dive into mixing. First of all, got rid of the low ends and boost the highs. Then of course the sidechain, which is not fully enabled. Then we're gonna add the reverb and delay, which we're gonna automate to get a really cool effect. As you can hear, right now it sounds a little bit messed up. But I'm gonna show you the automations we made. So as you can hear, we're gonna automate the output of the delay and the feedback level, just to create a fade out effect. So we add some more movement to the track, because it's quite minimal production. We really want some more movement in the track to keep it interesting. So that's it for the lead sounds. So besides that, to finish it off, I had a little build up with just the drums on the track and the snare build, the Pluck with a lot of automation. As you can hear, it's quite heavy, so it really fills up the build up. And of course the vocal.
Ketamine, ketamine, ketamine.
So I think we covered all the elements of the Cloonee style, with the drums, the bass, the vocals, all that stuff. I think the final result turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about it in the comments as well. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Ketamine.